week 3, take 2. Action.
Together, we will go on to this journey na tuklasin natin ano ba ang layunin ng Panginoon sa ating pong buhay.
God wants us to worship Him thoughtfully. Gusto ng Panginoon, iniisip natin siya.
Nilikha tayo ng Panginoon for each other, not to be alone.
God, kailangan palagi tayong naka-attach or connected kay God.
Ang tawag dito ay discipleship.
We are made up of imperfect people being perfected by a perfect God.
Inilagay ng Diyos yung future ng sanlibutan sa ating mga kamay.
Samantalayin po natin yung bawat oras. Ibahagi po natin yung magandang balita sa iba.
It's God's way of giving us a lesson, of teaching us, and through that lesson, nagkakaroon tayo ng development on the long run.
Talagang nakita ko yung laki ng pagbabago ng buhay namin nung magkaroon ako ng God's family talaga.
Huwag nating sayangin itong kamangha-manghang buhay na ibibigay ng Panginoon sa atin. Only one life will soon be passed. Only what's done for Christ will last. Nothing else will matter.
This is amazing grace. This is unfair.